This is a public service announcement. Hello everyone, my name is Brianna Hall and I will be a speaker discussing with you about chlamydia, which is a sexually transmitted disease that is more common than one may think. Chlamydia is a common STD that can affect both men and women. This disease can have a damaging effect on a woman's reproductive system and continue to spread to others if not treated. Chlamydia is ranked one of the highest rates within the top 20 cities in the U.S. within our city. Chlamydia is caused by vaginal, oral, and/or anal sex. Individuals can be asymptomatic, and those who are not asymptomatic, symptoms can result as abnormal discharge from vaginal or the penis. Irritation while urinating can also be other symptoms. This disease can also be treated with antibiotics prescribed by the doctor. As individuals, we have a duty to protect ourselves as well as other individuals that we encounter. So here are some prevention and control measures that could be used, such as the use of condoms when being sexually active, limiting the amount of partners that we are sexually active with, making sure that you and your partner has been tested and has brought back negative results, informing others of prevention measures and awareness as well. As a community, additional steps could be taken in order to prevent the spread of the disease. This disease is more prone to adolescents, so having school-based STD prevention and surveillance programs are very important for our community prevention and control measures, as well as healthcare providers counseling these individuals with the risk reduction, focusing on risk reduction, Health Expo for those individuals who do not have health insurance, as well as the HIV and STD risk reduction program. It is our duty as a community and as individuals to protect ourselves and to protect those around us. Please take these prevention and control measures into consideration while moving forward. Thank you for listening.